I'm not actually going mad sorting out these anchor rings, but not far from it. So what it is you've got a large ring which just sits on, and then a smaller ring, if I can find one. Let's just pick one up there. The smaller ring stuck to my finger. And you have to open up the smaller ring into a U-shaped loop, and then in the 1mm holes that you've drilled where the marks are in the side frame, you glue it in with a tiny dab of super glue so it holds the larger ring in place. The larger ring's getting stuck with glue, but that doesn't matter, you'll be able to break that when it comes to it. So that's where I am with these, this part of it. I've assembled the wheels onto the axles through the brass things, but I've prized them out of the bogie. You might be able to see a little bit of glue on the middle of that brass part of the wheel. Taking them out of the bogie in order to paint the bogies, to spray the bogies, because I didn't want to get any spray paint onto the wheels themselves. I'm only spraying them matte black, but what I would do if I was to do another one is not assemble the wheels into the plastic of the bogie frame until after you assemble it at that point. And after I've assembled the whole central part of the bogie and the side frames of the bogie and painted it. But there we go, that's just a minor thing. Maybe you could paint the components and then assemble it. Be quite possible to do it that way. But that's it. Progress on the Swift 16 well truck. Did somebody say they had it running after half an hour? I think I've been at it an hour at least. You know, just little things like pressing the wheels onto the axles and, I don't know, jigging up, not quite jigging up, but, you know, arranging to have things so that you can get it glued. I mean, there's funny differences here, but once it's sprayed up and got a load on it, we won't see that. There's only 3 components in there, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 of these rings to put on, which is the slow part.